this is, I said the Jefferson rifle on another video that it's my most popular, but the rifle that I sell the most of long term, I just sell them as if they were just they just sell, and that is the golden rifle, because it is gold plated, and I have to be careful when I cut this, because I don't want to cut the gold. All right, check out this gold plated, man, and this is why everybody loves this gun, because of the gold plated. It's an 8-shot gun. It's not an automatic, it's a lever action. And that's why people really love this, is because of the lever action. Now, the reason this gun is so popular is, number one, it's all metal. You got your golden part right here, which just looks beautiful. Okay, you've got your nice wooden stock right here. This is all wooden, no plastic. You got your wooden barrel. Now, normally it comes with a card, but I got them cheaper without the card, so you save like $3 without the card. And so I get them like this. These are very popular, and these are the Jefferson these are the golden rifle, and it's item number 082. And so this is the golden rifle at ProTinkerToys.com. Just type in golden rifle, and baby, you can get your kid a golden rifle for Christmas. You know what? I guarantee you that if you get this for your kid at Christmas time, just put this out like this, on right next to the fireplace, or right next to your Christmas tree, along with some caps, and he comes out and sees this with a bow on it, he'll go nuts. This is all he'll play with all day long, is his golden rifle. That's all he'll do. I'm telling you, this is the rifle right here at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. It's an 8-shot, so make sure you get number 913. 913, and always buy a minimum of 5 of these things. 5 of these 8 caps, and this is 913, along with your golden rifle. At ProTinkerToys.com. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell button, and give us the thumbs up, baby. Have a great day.